Keep control. An experiment to see how body chemicals will affect a growing chick in an egg. Chemicals. Body chemicals are hormones. Wow, this set of body chemicals are hormones. Experiments are investigations. Investigations. Put a small hole in the egg. This is piercing the egg. Piercing. Yes, some people do that to their ears or the belly buttons and stuff. Inject the hormones in alcohol. Alcohol. Yes, because you need something to dissolve the hormones in. Keep warm until the chick hatches. Hatches. Keep warm equals incubate. Incubate. This experiment needs 3 controls. Just incubate the egg to see if the eggs are fertilized and can produce a healthy chick. Fertilized. Incubate and pierce to see if making a small injection hole kills the chick. Injection. Incubate and pierce and inject alcohol to see if alcohol kills the chick. You have to do all A, B, and C to find out whether or not your hormone experiment, has any results at all. These are all the controls where you do the other stuff so you can compare it. Now incubate and pierce and inject with hormone dissolved in alcohol. Dissolved. There you go. Don't need that one. If A, B, and C all give healthy chicks, we can, editing. We can be sure that the experiment is showing the effect of the hormone. Editing, number 1. In fact, 10% of fertilized eggs fail in perfect conditions. So you have to do A, B, and C and the experiment 100 times each. Yes, because 10% of all eggs, just even if they've been fertilized, they just don't work. You have proved the hormone is not good for developing chicks if the results are: Control A has 10% dead, Control B has 12% dead, which is close to 10%. Control C has 14% dead. Well, you'd expect a little bit more because, you've done stuff. The experiment has 90% dead, in which case the hormone's not good. If experiment C has 3% dead, you have proved the hormone is good for developing chicks. We do these experiments because we want to find out if they're good for chickens and chicks, and also for humans and other animals. So, yes, unfortunately it means that there are dead chicks. Don't get me into what people do with male chicks they don't need. They mince them up. It's pretty horrible. The whole meat industry is making me feel like being a vegetarian. However, I am pro experiments on bacteria and then, mice and chicks and things, so that we can find out medicines, because right now 2020 we need some medicines, and also chick medicines and cow medicines and all the medicines for all the animals. We learn stuff so some chicks do die and some bacteria do die and some mice do die, but we learn more so that we can save more lives in the future. You can't do experiments on human babies. This is just not allowed, even if it means more babies in the future will live. Not on the human babies. If A, B, or C had 90% death, you have wasted your time. Yes. So you've got something really wrong with your eggs. This happens a lot to research scientists, yes. Controls validate or invalidate the main experiment. Validate. Without controls, your experiment is invalid. Yeah, it's just useless. The chemicals that control plants and animals are called hormones. Yes, the only way we've got any kind of medicine is by learning what kills things and learning what doesn't kill things, and then we've got medicine. In the past, we just made it up because what felt right. And then you've got homeopathy and herbalism and psychic healing and faith healing, and these things just don't work on a broken leg. They do work partly on headaches and other things like that, and depression and other mental diseases because of the placebo effect. That's another video. Some hormones do not dissolve in water, so alcohol is used to dissolve them. Eggs are fertilized by males. Eggs are incubated in a safe, warm place until they hatch. Without a full set of controls for comparison, experiments are invalid. Yes, this is why you have to have other people look at your experiment. You write up the experiment, it's peer reviewed by other people to find out whether or not your results are just rubbish or not. Press my picture, press like, press subscribe. Bye!